It's interesting how you cross a little road, move up a street, and it's a whole different world. And if you look here at this placid lake, and you would never know that it's a busy street. And the birds don't give a flip. Yes, Aunt, I said flip. The birds don't care. They're just, yeah, here we are in our habitat. And there's all these people around all the time, but we don't care. It's a lake and there's water and whatever we eat. I guess they eat fish, I don't know. I don't know what they eat. Maybe they eat grass and stuff, all this grass. Well, we've had a lot of rain. I don't remember this part being this flooded last time. I guess this one's going to end up being long form as I keep going. The YouTube feed said ducks are very popular. See them here. Now I could walk down further and fall into the swamp. That would be so there's more. Ooh. I wonder, there's 6 of them now. I only saw 3 before. There's a 7th one over there. I wonder if they're starting to wonder what's up with this guy. How many do they think they need? One of these MFers send me scurrying back to my car in a hurry. I think 3 could take me out. I mean, I do have my sunglasses on. So protecting the eyes is very important in the battle. So who would win? 100 Todd-sized ibises or 1 ibis-sized Todd? Or something like that.